Oh yes, it's there. Yes, and then the plastic nuts. What's up folks, welcome back to the garage. Here you can see my XC60. You might have seen some videos before about it. It's a little bit dirty, or actually very dirty, but I let it dirty for you. And next I will tell you a little bit more why. Because there's I think a small design flaw in this car, and I try to now to fix it, and the dirt is one part of the problem. I got this car spring 2023, and quite fast I noticed that dirt is getting in the back door. I will show you the problem in a few seconds. Then I got the tip in my Finnish channel that Volvo sells these dirt stoppers. They are actually original. You can see the part number there, and they are made in Sweden. And in Finland I paid for these only 32 euros and 60 cents, tax included, so they are not very expensive, which was a little bit surprising. And I hope these will help with the dirt issue. And in this video my plan is now, first I will show you the problem. There's a dirt quite a lot in that door. I cleaned those doors like 3 or 4 weeks ago, so it's not very old dirt what you will see. And after that I will take this car to a car wash. I will take the best job there is, and after that I will show you the result under the door. But I'm quite sure that the dirt doesn't go away, so it will stay there. After that I will manually clean the doors. Then we will install these dirt guards, and after that I will driving the dirt roads. I have a lot of nice rally roads around my house, quite near. I think I will drive at least 40 kilometers around, and after that we will see, will these help or are these just waste of money. Here inside you see just, I think, normal dust when I have been driving on the gravel road, and no, not big issues on down there either. There's a gasket here. This is a little bit different design I have seen in other cars, and inside here there's the gasket, and there's the fender. And the new parts, they will come here, I think, and I will probably use those screws and what we got here. But the main problem is the door. As you can see, there's quite a lot of dirt here, and especially down here. You can even wipe it away with your finger. And there's a gap also there, probably filled with dirt. There's a gasket here also. So, and the problem is same on the other side. The inside of the door, it's quite normal, only dust. But the door, there's a lot of dirt inside here, and it goes up here. So next I will take this car to a proper car wash, and I will show you after that before and after pictures of those doors. If I'm right, there's no big difference and I have to clean the doors manually. I just came from the car wash. I use certain automatic car wash, and it's not perfect. You can see the spots. There's a lot of, I think that's the, you can see a lot of marks, and I even can see my fingerprints here on that cover, and scratches on the black surface. Well, car is more than over one year old, so it would be a miracle that if I didn't have any marks on this car yet so far. So let's check the door. Well, the same dust is here. Maybe the gasket it's little bit cleaner, but there's still a lot of dirt inside there, and here under the car nothing changed, and you can see it's not clean from here either. I have checked also already from the other side, and that's all one place also that won't clean in a car wash, under the spoiler. On this side I think this is a little bit better, but the same dust. There's dirt down here, and well, there's a lot of sand under the door, but I think this part is a little bit cleaner what it used to be, but it's not clean still. So in winter time the salt will stay here for sure. But next I will clean the doors by hand. I will show it to you, and then we will install those new parts, and I hope that they will help at least a little bit. Now my clean car is inside. I hand washed the doors inside, and like these supposed to look every time after a car wash. It's as clean as I can get it, and also the other side. As you can see now it's clean, and there were no any instructions. I found some videos from the YouTube, but the parts were slightly different. But I also googled the same number. I found the same parts, but didn't find exact video for this kind. But it was like 60-second job to figure it out. I need only a T25 Torx screwdriver for this. There's a Torx screw for that bracket, and then there is a plastic nut inside the fender, so these will be very easy to install, I hope. And this is left side and this is right side. There's no sign, even these are original Volvo parts. It doesn't say anywhere here that this is left side and this is right side, but it's quite easy to figure out. Next I will show you how I will install these. Here is the left. This is actually mud guard. There's two screws down here, so I just unscrew the left one with my Torx screwdriver. Then there is a 1, 2 and 3 nuts. They are plastic ones, so I have to be careful. They open very easily. So I will open all these, and that screw, then put this on and screw nuts back on and the screw back on. It should be ready, but I will put my camera on stand so you will see the whole show. And now I will show you first this side step by step, and the other side time lapse. This is actually quite a fast job. I just unscrew these plastic nuts. They are not tight. I use only my fingers. The second one and the third one is up here. And then I use my torques to open this side is the right one, on that other side it's the left one screw. This, oh, it wasn't tight. Oh, it's already a little bit rusty, nice. So then this on, I just have to find the right spot, about here, maybe a little bit. Oh yes, it's there. Yes, and then the plastic nuts. First one. I must be careful not to tie them too much, so I don't destroy them. Second one and the third one. Yes, it should be okay. And then the last one, the screw. Oh yes, looks nice, and right side is done. Oops, I accidentally locked the door, and then the left side next. Both sides done. This was actually quite easy task, quite quick, easier than I thought. Well, I will close the door. You can see it here. There's a small gap between the door, which is good, and it should prevent the dirt going, at least so much going in. So there's a attached point bracket there. And when I'm opening the door, you can see it here. It's not the most beautiful one, but black car and black mud guard, that's okay. And it should protect a little bit the door, I hope. And on other side, same thing. I think fitment is okay. It fits great. And same thing here, and everything is clear or actually clean. But next I will hit to the gravel roads. I will use the same roads that the rally drivers in WRC, Finnish Sector Rally Finland 2024. So we will have a nice ride, and I will try to get the sides of this just washed car dirty again, and I will do it just for you. What shouldn't do with for you and for the YouTube. So next I hit the road, and then we will check the results. Now we are on our road trip. It's my son. Hello, and thank you for taking me for a drive. And we are actually real road trip. This is a road book from WRC Rally, Sector Rally Finland 2024. I was a timekeeper, and that's why I have this kind of road book. And we are going to special stage 17 and 19, Sahloinen Moksi, and we will drive that through. I hope we can find some wet gravel from there to get our car dirty. It's only 14.8 27 kilometers, but we have a long way to drive there, so I think we will get our car dirty. And right in the start there's a place where Evans drove off the road, so I will show you the spot. I was there as a timekeeper and I was at the start line, and we sent the cars on the special stage. But next clip will be from the start of the special stage 17 and 19 Sahloinen Moksi. Start. Evans. And now we are back from the test drive. It was like 40 kilometers on gravel road. You can see there's a lot of dust in the back window and some dirt, but the road was dry, so it mostly dust. And I have to admit, well, maybe I'll show you the left side because it's like in original condition. You can see there is some dust, but there's also dirt down there, and there, and on the other side it was actually just like the left side. It's mostly dust, but there was some dirt. I closed the door so it dropped, but there was also dirt here, so I'm a little bit disappointed. I thought that this would work much better, but we have to be realistic that there was a lot of dust, so it goes everywhere. So maybe I have to do a new test in the winter time or in autumn when we have more dirt flying, not just dust. But maybe 7 points out of 10, the first impression. But everybody can do your own decision. Is 32 euros and 60 cents. Is it worth it or not? This was a quick test. But the autumn and winter will tell me that was this a wise thing to do. If you have some experience about these mud guards, please let me know. Put the comments down below. And thanks for watching. Please give me thumbs up and those comments. Thank you very much. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, now it's a perfect time to do that. And also ring the bell. Thanks for watching. See you soon.